For separable variable, dE, dy, dx equals f of x times g of y is separable if it can be written in this form. Separate dy, dx, all in the same variable on the same side, and the other side so the same variable. Okay, and maybe that you get in this problem. Okay, dy dx equals fx over gx, fx over gy, or in this form, dy dx equals gy over fx, or in this form, dy dx equals 1 over fx times gy. So actually you have, this is first pattern, second, third, and fourth. Okay, all the patterns you need to separate the two variables before you proceed do something. Okay. Okay, for this one, for this type, as gy dy equals fx dx. This is a pattern here. For this pattern, you can write in the form dy over gy equals dx over fx. Okay, the last pattern is, okay, you can separate it, that one, gy times dy, and 1 over fx dx. Okay, so you can match the pattern. Maybe given this pattern, or this, or this, or this. Okay, the idea is you need to separate variable x, variable y before you integrate. It's called separable variable. Step in solving using separable variable method. First, separate from dy dx equals fx gy, separate the variable. And second is integrate. Separate and integrate. That's all. Okay. Look at the example.